Hello, guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for always coming back. I do really appreciate you all, and I trust you all are doing fine. Today's video is a natural remedy that will help you remove wrinkles in any part of your body, and this treatment will also help you brighten your skin naturally. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, let's dive straight into the video. To prepare this remedy, I'm going to be using half a cucumber and I'm just going to be cutting it into smaller pieces. So I'm using cucumber because it contains vitamin C and caffeic acid, which when applied to the skin, it helps to fade off wrinkles, sunburn, and many other skin irritation. Cucumber has lots of cleansing property, which is why it is perfect for this remedy. going to be applying the remedy. I'm going in first with the cucumber juice. I'm just going to clean it around the place where I have the wrinkles. I'll recommend you use a cotton wool. Just clean the place. Then you go in with the cream and just rub it. I'm mostly going to be using this cream mostly in the evening when I'm about to go to sleep. I'll just clean my face with the cucumber juice. Then I will go in with the cream. If you want to see the results quick, I recommend you use this every day at least for 7 days. Then you start seeing changes. Put this in your fridge and it's still going to be fresh even after 1 week. So guys, this is all for this treatment. I really hope you try it out and let me know how it is. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.